breaking news coming in right now. The viewer needs to know that the comedian has been issued a notice by the cops. The Khar police has sent out a notice to Kunal Kamra to appear before the police officials. Remember, till now there wasn't an official FIR. There were, of course, complaints that were filed, and this is apart from the complaint and FIR against the vandals. But now it appears that Khar police has sent a notice to Kunal Kamra, but this is more about questioning. Ritvik, I believe that this wouldn't be an FIR. This is more about a notice that's been sent to possibly come record his statement, talk to the cops once, and tell us more about why Khar police and details on this.
Yes, what we are getting right now is that Khar police has issued a summon, an official summon has been issued on the address where he is staying on record in Mumbai. By the same time, because Kunal Kamra is out of state, is not in Maharashtra, he's been contacted, but there's no response from his side. Here, police has sent the summons on his WhatsApp number as well, so that he might respond. Maybe we have to see that will he appear in person or will he request to appear himself through video conferencing, because similarly Samay Raina was also summoned by the police and he requested to appear through video conferencing. Now we are awaiting the response from Kunal Kamra's side, but at the same time we need to see that how ruling alliance MLAs will be aggressive on the stand and on the
he will be cooperating with the law, with the investigators, but has said, will the vandals also face the law equally? So he's doubling down, he's defiant. And remember, he's been a critic of the ruling party, of the BJP in his past mentions as well. But this time, should it simply be seen as a good political satire or a joke that has gone too far, and perhaps that has led to the vandalism? And is that justified either? Listen in now to how the Netas have jumped in. Remember, this is not just about a comic making a joke or a satire. This is now come in between the Mahayuti ruling party, the government, and the opposition, Mahavikas Aghadi. Listen into the leaders.
या व्यक्तीला एक प्रकारे कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी तयार करून प्रसिद्धी मिळवण्याचा हव्यास आहे. त्याला अर्बन नक्षल म्हणा, लेफ्ट लिबरल म्हणा, हे सारखेच आहेत की ज्यांचा उद्देश एकच आहे की समाजातल्या मानकांना अपमानित करणं, देशातल्या संस्थांना अपमानित करणं, देशांच्या इन्स्टिट्यूशनवरनं लोकांचा विश्वास उठला पाहिजे अशा प्रकारची वक्तव्य देणं, अशा प्रकारचं काम करणारे जे लोक आहेत यांना कुठल्याही परिस्थितीत सोडता कामा नये. आणि म्हणून या संदर्भात मी सभागृहाला आश्वस्त करतो, कठोरात कठोर कारवाई ही निश्चितपणे केली जाईल.
कुणाल कामरा ने मुझे नहीं लगता कुछ गलत कहा है. गद्दारों को गद्दार करना ये किसी पर हमला करने की बात नहीं है. जो गद्दार है वो गद्दार है. अभिव्यक्ती वगैरे सत्य बोलणं हा अभिव्यक्ती स्वातंत्र्याचा हल्ला होऊ शकत नाही, हे सत्य आहे. आणि आम्ही तो उघड बोलतोय की हे गद्दार आहेत. त्याच्यामुळे हा अभिव्यक्ती स्वातंत्र्य आलं कुठे?